y'all, look at what's welcome back to my channel.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. It's like snow is falling and
Subscribe to our channel, welcome to. Today, it is Saturday, December the 6th, and I'm finna be going to my birthday dinner. I should have been recording for all weekend for y'all, but I just been, because I'm reminded. It's my 18th birthday dinner, and I'm finna take y'all with me tonight. So, I'm about to show y'all the fit of the day in a second, but hold on, let me wipe this camera off. That's as good as it's gonna get. It's gonna be a little dark right now, but it's okay. So, this is the purse that I'm wearing tonight. I gotta see what's in her. Nothing's interesting is in her. So we're just gonna put, this is the purse I wore last night. This is the I looked like last night right there. I'm gonna put a little picture right there. But I'm gonna put my wallet and my AirPods in here. Since I want to be a little different, I don't want to wear the same purse, so I'm just going to use this one because red and cheetah print goes together great. So this is the outfit. This is half the outfit. I'm going to show y'all more of the outfit when I go out the house. I just want to start off my start off the vlog. These are the shoes that I'm wearing. So yeah, I just want to start off the vlog. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm in the car, on the way there, or when I'm there.
don't let me take you back to your mama. 20 minutes calls cause I'm not home. What you gonna do when you got
I look. She look like a little kid.
Not a little kid, I'm a little. What's up, y'all? What's up?
No, bro.
Nah, she look little.
No, we're going.
Hey guys.
But we got here. We just got here. Don't mind I have heels on.
My bad. I forgot.
So yeah, we just got here. It's cold. It's Heidi's out. Hey, which way we going? I thought Cheesecake Factory is over here. Where's she going? Where's she going? Cheesecake Factory over here. Where you going? I'm gonna get back with y'all when we inside because I can't even really talk right now. It's cold out here. Okay, y'all, we went to another restaurant. Y'all probably can't hear me because the music is loud. So, yeah, right now I don't know what I'm gonna get because there's a honey. The chicken sandwich look good though.
Hi, I'm Ori's sister.
I'm about to cry. I'm indecisive. That shit look good. I'm about to get irritated. I don't know what I want. Because the burger look good, but she got that pasta, and that pasta look good too. Thank you. I don't know. I want both.
Wait, what's the option?
The option is the jerk shrimp pasta or the honey butter crispy chicken sandwich.
Wait, they didn't say honey butter. Jerk shrimp. Yeah, jerk shrimp pasta. I'm gonna try all y'all food. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, so is everybody gonna give a bite or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, I'm not giving no meat to everybody. I'm sorry. If you get, wait, are you getting a chicken sandwich or the burger?
I
don't think I really care to try to
said connected
I don't think I really
food.
care. But I try this.
Are you getting
I don't think
Yeah.
But I think if I get the shrimp, I'm gonna get sick.
I mean, let's get. No, I love meat. I love meat.
like cut it in half?
Okay. Because I'm gonna get sick if I get the shrimp.
You want to do that?
The jerk shrimp. And I'm waiting on my appetizer right now. Right now we are waiting on our appetizers. They're taking too long. Okay, I'm gonna open my cards. We have a card from my grandparents. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. A wonderful granddaughter. Oh my goodness, that's so sweet.
Look at your money.
Oh my god, I got money in it.
You got $100.
Oh my god, I got money in it. Oh my goodness. Okay, because why the appetizer plate's already coming now?
Hey.
Oh my goodness. It's a card.
Or you got something else in there.
No, I don't, girl. Ain't nothing else in there, girl. Where's my purse at?
The person
This right in here. Finish it right now. Hold on.
all the girls.
Okay, y'all, here's my food.
That shit was so unseasoned, you can just look at it and tell. Look at the disappointment in her face.
So Nevaeh got wings, y'all.
Yeah.
London got burger. And my sister got tacos. Okay, no.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
What? Mom, this is nasty. Yeah. It don't got no flavor. Tastes like water. Okay, well, I sent my food back because it didn't have any flavor, so now I'm waiting for my burger. Let me see the picture.
Meet me at the top. Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me?
Right, I don't know what you be doing, but you know, dang. What is that? We said taco.
Oh yeah, I know there's somebody who loves me, somebody who really loves me. That's all I need. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we're good. I hope y'all didn't get the crack. Get the earmuffs, please. Wait, please.